In today's business environment, commonly shared copiers and printers are where surface-to-person contact happens frequently. In this video, we will review the best practices in keeping your product, specifically operation panel, clean and disinfected without causing damage. First, let's see what is not recommended. Do not use organic solvent, acid, or alkali. The most common cleaners to stay away from are bleach and ammonia. These products may damage the screen. Alcohol-based cleaners and disinfectants are considered the best. Common cleaners and disinfectants are Windex spray, Lysol, and Clorox disinfecting wipes. If you're using a spray, it's important that you do not spray directly on the panel. Lightly moisten a soft, preferably lint-free microfiber cloth. Avoid using paper towels. They might scratch the screen. When using wipes, do not leave liquid droplets on the panel. Remove the excess moisture gently with a dry cloth. There is a way to minimize surface-to-person contact by using the Ricoh Smart Device Connector app. This app enables a user to copy, scan, fax, and print remotely via a smartphone or a tablet. Copy settings can also be specified and saved as favorite within this app. Please visit Ricoh.com for more information. I hope you have found this overview helpful. If you would like more information in regards to COVID-19, it can be found at the CDC website.